He caught it pretty nice. In the slot they did George Jere. On the
To motorsport action, and Kenya is ready to host the World Rally Championship, which will be held from March 12th to 15th in the Naivasha area, Nakuru County. Speaking on Friday, when he received a comprehensive project oversight report on Kenya's preparedness from World Rally Championship team, the Sports Cabinet Secretary Salim Vuria said that all technical aspects of the event had been fulfilled, with over 50 drivers confirming their participation.
On the 15th of March, WRC and the oversight team will be mapping out Kenya. We'll be looking at other parts of the country so that subsequent events we could have options. You know, we have done Naivasha. Now we can do another place in Kenya so that we can give an opportunity to all Kenyans.
There has been a change in the FIWRC sporting regulations for 2026, which mandate us to run the rally from Thursday to Sunday only. So we have lost Wednesday. So it was not possible to come to Nairobi. So we have condensed everything in Nakuru County. So the shakedown will be on Thursday morning. And that's also another change because we've put the shakedown near the prisons, the Naivasha prisons. And it will be very, very accessible to all members of the public, all walks of life.
The National Olympic Committee of Kenya, NOC, will set